Discover a pair of wall covering solutions that can elevate the style of any space with ease. Installation is quick and simple thanks to the special backing that doesn't expand when wet. Soaking the paper prior to hanging is no longer required. The paste can be applied directly to the wall. This feature provides long-lasting, durable adherence to the substrate. Non-woven wallpapers are a popular choice across Europe right now. HP non-woven durable suede wallpaper and HP non-woven durable suede linen wallpaper are PVC-free, washable, and breathable options. They're easy to install with standard paste and remove cleanly in one strip. HP non-woven durable suede and linen wallpapers offer scrub, stain, and scratch resistance performance, making them perfect for hotels, restaurants, homes, and more. Engineered with Color Pro technology, these wallpapers deliver vibrant, eye-catching graphics across a wide range of colors. HP is dedicated to sustainability, ethical corporate practices, and investing in social and environmental leadership. HP non-woven durable suede and linen wallpapers carry the CE and UKCA certifications and are available now. For more information about these wall covering solutions or any of HP product offerings, please reach out to your HP large format media specialist or visit hp-emea.globalbmg.com. Thank you.